Shandong Jinguan Goods Shelves Company, Limited is established in 2002,
which is a modern enterprise specializing in the design, manufacture and sale of commercial equipment. The area of the factory is more than 40,000 square meters. The main products include various supermarket shelves, storage shelves, fruit and vegetable racks, checkout counters, special counters and other shopping malls. We provide custom-made design services as per client's request in a very short time. Our company introduced a fully automatic spraying line with advanced technology from Taiwan, and have a fully automatic electric welding machine, which can automatically weld the shelves and other advanced equipment. In addition, we have obtained ISO 9001 certificates, selling well in all cities around China, and also export to clients in such countries and regions as the America, France, Australia, Italy, Mexico, United Arab Emirates and 20 others. Sample orders, OEM and ODM orders are also be welcome. With high quality, good reputation and quick action, we are sure that can establish the best business partnership with every client, and look forward to get more cooperation.